Officer of BRP San Juan, Commanding Officer of BRP Malabrigo, Acting Commanding Officer of BRP Batangas, Acting Commanding Officer of BRP Suluan, Acting Commanding Officer of BRP Capones, Commanding Officer of BRP Davao del Norte, and Commanding Officer BRP Boracay, and Acting Commanding Officer of BRP Pampanga. His more than 11 years of sea duty tour and subsequently awarded the most coveted Command at Sea badge. In his quest for professional development, he was privileged to study and train at various foreign schools and institutions. He studied terrorism incident first response in British Embassy, search and rescue coordinator course in Shanghai Maritime Training Center, China MRCC, Maritime Security Subject Matter Expert Exchange in United States Defense Institute of International Legal Studies, Maritime Law Enforcement in Yorktown, Virginia, Rule of Law and Disciplined Military Operations, International Search and Rescue Planning, ICS 300, Marine Safety Week Leadership and Management School, Camp Lejeune, North Carolina for the Mission Planning Module course, and on-board motor tanker Seri Ayu at Bintulu, Malaysia, Toyong An, Taiwan for the training on cargo shipboard operations and safety standards. Throughout his career, he underwent various comprehensive military and Coast Guard trainings, both local and abroad. He undergone education in Maritime Security Subject Matter Expert Exchange, Manila, Maritime Law Enforcement, Rule of Law and Disciplined Military Operations, International Search and Rescue Planning, IMO Model 4 6.09, Humanitarian Civil Military Coordination Course Law Enforcement Training Against Trafficking, Medical Emergency Basic Training, International Maritime Officers Course. All of these provided him with competency and skills to better serve the Philippine Coast Guard. He held various positions of major responsibility. As a junior officer, he had assumed numerous staff duties in the field of administrative operations and logistics in the different Coast Guard regional districts and major command, namely Coast Guard District National Capital Region, Central Luzon, Coast Guard District Northwestern Luzon, Coast Guard District Western Visayas, Coast Guard District Eastern Visayas, Maritime Safety and Services Command, Marine Environmental and Protection Command, Marine Environmental Protection Command. Polished through time and experience, he was entrusted with a number of positions such as Course Director, SSMLC Class 12-2021, and SSMLC Class 14-2021 in the Coast Guard Fleet. He was also appointed as the Commander, Marine Environmental Protection, Offshore Patrol, Commander, Marine Science Investigation Force of Headquarters, Marine Environmental Protection Command, Station Commander of Coast Guard Station Rojas, Coast Guard District Western Visayas, and Station Commander of Coast Guard Station Force, Headquarters Coast Guard District Northern Luzon. Bestowed with a high sense of responsibility and excellent service to the nation, he became a recipient of various military and Coast Guard awards and decorations as recognition for his act of intrepidness, outstanding achievement, meritorious service, participation in specific military and Coast Guard operations. He is a devoted husband to Mrs. Marisa D. Babag, and they are blessed with 2 children, Jerome Marcos and Patrick Marty. Ladies and gentlemen, the Deputy Commander, Coast Guard District Eastern Visayas. Let us all welcome Coast Guard Captain Patrick Garin Babag.
Diplomat Tikas Pahinga. Good morning, everyone. Before I read my short speech, because you know the weather is very hot right now, and of course, I am the one impeding the excitement from the family and the trainees to have their momentous embrace later. And to begin with, I'd like to greet some of the dignitaries who are here right now. To continue, I'd like to recognize the presence of our Congressman Marcelino C. Libanan. Sir, good morning. Thank you for the continued support for the Philippine Coast Guard. Honorable Rodrigo C. Rivera, the Municipal Mayor of Dolores Eastern Samar. Thank you. Honorable Randy C. Pumiga, the Municipal Councilor of Dolores Eastern Samar. Lieutenant Colonel Rodrigo Ladera of the Philippine Army. Other the Honorable Rubenia Lazara Dino. To the other uniformed personnel from the Bureau of Fire, from the Philippine National Police. To the families of our just recognized PCG personnel. Mayong buntag sa tanan. I would like to open my speech with a quote from no less than Christopher Columbus. And I quote, "You can never cross the ocean unless you have the courage to lose sight of the shore." Today marks the commencement into the class 108 2023 Masintalab Silang. Today marks the commencement of a new journey as recognized candidate to becoming a fully-blooded Coast Guard personnel. You arrived here with nothing but innocence and doubtless but bravery and a will that challenges the plane to gamble on yourselves, although the road ahead is still long in winding. Today, you stand halfway to achieving your dream. To witness each of you standing before me, adorned in uniforms earned through your sweat and tears. Confidently, I say that you're ready for the next chapter of your journey. I am filled with astonishment as you progress in total transformation during the rigorous format-long bootcamp training, and I congratulate you for that. I can see very well the excitement from the families who have sacrificed one job or other their time to come here to witness this momentous occasion. And of course, the smiles from the staff, the course director and staff of this training center, that they are very happy for what you have achieved today. Beyond myself, I am confident that your course director, assistant course director, and all the tactical officers have no words of cannot explain their gratefulness as they witness their sons fulfilling their long-awaited dreams transformed into noble individuals. To the 303 strong members, Coast Guard Officers Course Class 108-2023, also known as the Masitalab Silang, embodies the profound commitment through its acronym, mga sinamay na tagapagbantay, alang-alang sa bayan ni Sinilangan, which symbolizes the collective commitment of the class towards serving as vigilant protectors of their homeland. It underscores the readiness to uphold the values of duty, honor, service as they embark on their journey as Coast Guard officers. As you progress to the next chapter of your career. Prepare yourself for the upcoming academic phase in the full implementation of the merit and demerit system. This juncture is pivotal, where your dedication and adherence to excellence will shape the path of our esteemed institution. To the class, I challenge you to set your sights higher, to embrace hardships and adversity as a lecturer enters through, knowing that it can be reconstructed and develop you into better individuals, more competent postgraduates. And to the parents and families of the recently recognized class, we express, I and all the Coast Guard present here and the whole leadership of the Coast Guard, we express our gratitude for standing by your sons as they embark on a path. Thank you for serving as their primary source of inspiration in hurdling the challenges of this rigorous training ground. I can discern the pride in your expressions today, yet I assure you that your sense of pride will intensify when you march proudly on your graduation day. Once again, congratulations to the newly recognized class CDOC KDNOC class 108 class 2023, Masintalab Silang. I anticipate witnessing your graduation ceremony. Good morning and may God bless us all.